Okay, I want to show you how to make the fastest Reverb Wub using a really cool wavetable. This is what it sounds like. This is what it sounds like in a song. Let's hit it with a double right here. These, the Casper the Ghost Wub and this one are in the previous video, so make sure to watch that. But for now, we're just doing this. The sound will be in my Patreon if you want to get this right away. Otherwise, watch and learn. It is quick and easy. I'm turning off all the post-processing first. Listen to it without the OTT and the reverb. Just a regular guy. Turn the filter off. Turn the compressor off. That's a little mini guy. All right, so as soon as you load up Serum 2, oscillator A turns on, and we're going to switch it to digital dirty saw. The dirty saw. It's important that the wavetable position is on 181, and then we're going to make this LFO go onto the wavetable position. So drag it there and have it only go up 17%. So pull it down to 17%. Then level goes all the way down. Add the LFO to the level and have it go all the way up to 100. This will create the wub. Otherwise, it'll be like sustained. Wavetable position is important. It's at 181 right now. Listen if it's at a different area. It makes different webs. Technically, any of those are fine. They're not wrong. I just chose this one because I like the way it sounds at 181. Filter 1 goes on. We're doing phase 12 minus, which is in flanges. This is a really good one. Cutoff is at 144, and we're going up 15% with the LFO. Adding this notch movement in the lows. Really good movement here. And then we're dipping down here in the highs. Resonance is at 69 naturally. Drive, 37%. This is turning it up, this drive, so it's really helpful. That's our foundation wub. It's nice and low and thick. And then we add the compressor to get it loud, 9.8 gain. Adding some fullness and even a little bit of crunch. Then we add a second OTT. Actually, the first one is not OTT because it's in single, but this one, OTT, is a multi-band. Add OTT, then put it up 9.5 dB on the output. Master. Amount is 65%. Before, after. Now you can really hear all these highs getting pulled up and sounding even thicker and fuller. Reverb goes on, but this time decay is super long, 8.19 seconds. Dry and wet's only 13%, and it gives us a super long reverb tail. And since it's on 13%, we hear the majority of the original signal in dry form, and then we're like sprinkling in this reverb at 13%. It is that easy to make some super fat wub. Get a nice wavetable, get some good movement, add your filter, make it loud, then add a cool special effect. This is the Note D0. Lots of wubs coming soon. I'm working on my school. It's about to drop here. Everything you need to learn about dubstep will be in there. So get ready. Hit me up if you have any questions about this in my Discord, Patreon, Instagram. That's where you can reach me. And have a good day. Keep it fresh. Peace.